How to log into your Milestone Credit Card online account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open your web browser. Now click search bar and type in Milestone Credit Card and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will reach on this result page where you need to open a reliable website of Milestone Card. Currently, the access has been denied to log into your Milestone Credit Card online account because if you are an existing customer attempting to access this website from an international location, then you have to call the number on the back of your card using a US phone number for customer service. But if you get the login page, simply you need to enter your login credentials like your username and password in the provided field and click login button to access your accounts. So that is how we can successfully log into Milestone Credit Card online account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.